Good morning, students.
Good morning,
Miss.
Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine. How about you,
And
Miss?
you?
Fine, thank you. And you? I'm good, thank you. Before we starting our lesson today, let's us praying based on our belief religion. Praying begin. Finish. Let me check the present list. Enggar Wahyu Pramaswari. Present, Miss. Maudi Fitriana Resnanda.
Present, Miss.
Nur Azizah.
Present, Miss.
Halisa Dewi Purnama.
Present, Miss.
Okay, good. So, I will share PowerPoint first. Can you see the PowerPoint?
Yes, Miss.
Our lesson today is about explanation text. And then please take a look in these pictures. What can you get from these pictures?
About phenomena, Miss.
Yes,
The picture
that's
about
right.
phenomena.
These pictures about phenomena. And then what kind phenomena that you find in these three pictures?
Plastic garbage.
And then the second pictures.
Solar. The solar ring, Miss.
Yeah, and the last pictures.
COVID-19.
Yes, that's right. Jadi ketiga gambar ini merupakan contoh dari fenomena. Dua ini merupakan contoh sosial fenomena dan ini natural fenomena atau fenomena alam. So our lesson today is about explanation text about social phenomena. Nah, apa sih tujuan pembelajaran kita? Jadi, tujuan pembelajaran kita yaitu menyusun teks explanation dalam konteks kehidupan sehari-hari berkaitan dengan sosial fenomena dalam teks singkat dengan memperhatikan unsur kebahasaan secara tepat. Before we talk about social phenomena, we must know about explanation text. What is definition about explanation text? Explanation text is a text which tells processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. Jadi, explanation text ini merupakan teks yang berisi proses tentang natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Biasanya dalam teksnya itu berisi tentang why and how peristiwa tersebut atau fenomena tersebut dapat terjadi. And then for generic structure about explanation text, there are three. The first is general statement. General statement stating the phenomenon, issues which are to be explained. Biasanya ini di paragraf pertama. And then the second is sequences of explanation. sequences explanation stating a series of steps which explain the phenomenon. Jadi, explanation yang berisi tahap-tahap peristiwa atau fenomena itu terjadi. And the last is conclusion. And then for the language features, explanation text using simple present tense, using abstract noun, using passive voice, using action verb, and containing explanation of the process. Semuanya ini sudah kita pelajari di pembelajaran sebelumnya. Nah, sosial fenomena ini ada berbagai banyak macamnya. For our topic today, let's take a look on these pictures. Coba kalian amati gambar ini, and then I will ask you, Maudi, what do you get from these pictures?
This picture is about marriage, Miss.
Yes, that's right, Maudi. And then, Enggar, can you get the differences between the man and woman?
I think the difference of culture between women and men.
Yes,
Miss.
that's right, Enggar. Thank you, Enggar and Maudi. Jadi, dalam picture ini terdapat perbedaan cultures antara men and woman. Misalnya yang ini, the woman berasal dari India, and ini berasal dari Western. So, our topic today is about social phenomena, cross-culture marriage. Sampai sini ada yang mau bertanya?
Saya, Miss.
Ya, Halisa.
I want to ask why culture class marriage is included in social phenomena, Miss?
Okay, good question, Halisa. So, marriage is a social phenomenon because it is an observable act for which people have created and applied meaning, which alters the concept of love and relationship as the meaning evolves. Sampai di sini, apakah bisa dipahami, Halisa?
Yeah, Miss.
Alright, good.
The explanation is clear.
Miss mau nanya nih sama Azizah. Sosial fenomena apa yang pernah Azizah ketahui atau yang pernah Azizah dengar selain cross culture marriage?
Oh, kalau yang pernah didengar itu, Miss, tentang criminality seperti begal atau perampokan.
Yes, that's right, Azizah. Jadi, criminality itu merupakan one of the example about social phenomena. And then I have one text explanation about how cross-cultural marriage happen. Please read this text, and then I will give you some question. You can read this text. Have you done?
Miss.
Yeah, Miss.
So, what of generic structure is included in the text?
May I, Miss?
Yes, of course.
There are general statement, explanation, and conclusion, Miss.
All right. And for the second question, what tense is used in the text?
May I, Miss?
Yes, Halisa.
The text is using a simple present tense, Miss.
Oke, kita kunci dulu jawabannya. And the last question, please mention one of the language features contained in the text.
Saya, Miss.
Yes, Maudi.
Salah satunya adalah using action verbs.
Alright, let's recheck the answers. Ya, that's right, Ajijah. Jadi dalam generic strukturnya terdapat general statement, explanation, and conclusion. And then for the tenses, we use in this text about simple present tense. And then for the language features, action verb. Good job, guys. And then masih dengan topik yang sama, dengan teks yang sama, I give you 3 questions. Please answer this question dengan link yang saya berikan di WhatsApp group. I give you 3 minutes to answer.
Oke, Miss.
Have you done?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let me check your answer. Malisa, Maudi, and Nur Ajijah. Alright, good answer.
Sorry, Miss, I can submit my answer because I have question.
It's okay, Enggar. Kalian sudah menjawab dengan benar. Miss rasa kalian sudah memahami. So, what we have learned today?
Explanation text, Miss, about fenomena kayak tadi culture pernikahan segala macam.
That's right, Ajijah. Ada yang mau menambahkan?
Tadi tentang cross cultural marriage salah satunya, terus juga ada criminality, salah satu contoh dari apa tadi, social phenomena, Miss.
Ya, good job. Jadi, our lesson today is about explanation text about social phenomena dengan topik cross-cultural marriage. For your homework, please write one example about text explanation tentang social phenomena yang terjadi di masyarakat atau di lingkungan sekitar kalian. Untuk waktunya, I give you 1 week, and then send di email saya. I think that's all for our lesson today. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to stay safe, stay healthy, and see you on the next meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss.